How to share Wi-Fi password with QR code on iPhone. In this video, we'll show you how to easily share your Wi-Fi password from your iPhone using a QR code. To start, open the Passwords app on your iPhone, where you'll need to use Face ID to access your saved Wi-Fi networks. Once you're in, you'll see a list of networks you've connected to. Choose the one you want to share. Don't worry if the network is out of range at the moment. As long as you've connected to it before and the password hasn't changed, it'll work. Next, tap on the network, and you'll see an option to Show QR code. This is the easiest way to share your Wi-Fi password. You can share the QR code via a message, email, or even save it as a note. The person who needs to connect can then scan the QR code with their device. Once scanned, the device will automatically connect to the Wi-Fi network without needing to manually enter the password. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tips. Let me know if you have any questions about QR codes or how to share your Wi-Fi password. Thanks for watching.